the best penny stocks to buy right now are on this channel. Last night, ASBP. I did a video, say buy it at 16 and a half. You could have sold it 2 hours later at a quarter for a 50% profit, just like that. Bought it back last night as low as 18.10. Sold it again this morning at 5.16 to be exact, at a quarter for another 39%. ZSPC. A week ago, go to the home channel on YouTube and check out the wall. I gave it to you not once, but twice for a 55% profit. And when it bounced 28% to be exact on that Friday night, we got out with a small 2% loss on the third time. Ladies and gentlemen, in the last 9.5 months, this guy right here is 114-4. That's a 96.7% win rate for almost a fucking year. And if you go back 2.5 years, going on 3 to be exact, as I check my notes, 459 wins, only 23 losses for a 95.2% win rate. Wait for it. 2,119% return. Just like that. Folks, 3 years ago. And thank you for giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I've been in the weeds for more than 30 years, half of that as a broker. From 1993 to 2007, I've made all the fucking mistakes so that you don't have to, including going bankrupt in 2008. And pinned in the top comment is your ticket to paradise. It's $20. The first 2 months, cancel anytime. That's a 90% off the first month. I give you the second for free. We had 17 people. God bless each and every one that have signed up in the last 2 weeks. And yeah, we're getting the band back together. Before I forget, Crab Legs, come on back. You asked me in the comment a couple of days ago. We took a vote. You fucking peacock. Come on back. As long as I didn't throw your ass out for bad behavior, and that's only 10 or 15% of you, come on back. Take full advantage of the entire 60 days for only $20. What the hell do you have to lose? I've got 15 wins now. In fact, I'm going to give you another freebie that I bought this morning. SRFM in at 111 on the smash at the open. Last trade, 124. Our limit is 111 where we own it. Do not pay a cent over 115 for SRFM. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. The next 2 years of the Trump presidency, mark my words, will be the greatest penny stock boom in human history. And there's been some really good ones, like in 2022 during the bear market. The only alternative hedge funds had to make money was in penny stocks. I was giving them away on fucking Twitter before I started this Discord. What do we have right now? And if you saw Kevin Warsh yesterday, what a fucking world-class fighter that guy is. Guess what, folks? Let me summarize the entire 2 hours of trying to get him in a gotcha moment. Rates are going lower and the money supply is going higher. This guy's got more ideas than all of the prior 6 or 7 Fed governors combined, or Fed chairs, I should say, combined. And that includes Greenspan, who I thought was pretty fucking good. One example, $38 trillion in home equity. One way to get access to that for the economy, for consumers, for retirees, is to bring down rates. How are we going to do that? I don't know. End this war? Trump's playing 10D chess. He's gone beyond 5D chess. He's playing 10D chess. He's sitting offshore on that blockade, not dropping any bombs. We got another record high in the Qs at 653. And I would say about 90% of you that are watching right now still have your unlubricated thumb stuck up your fucking ass. It doesn't matter how many times I'm right or how many times number 47 is right. You're buying into the fear that they're selling on the fake fucking news. Do not do that. This is it. You've got one more chance over the next 8 or 9 years, and the next 2 were the most pro-crypto, pro-stock market, pro-economy president in the history of this 250-year-old country. This market is going higher. And even if the NASDAQ cools off, I don't know, at some point heading into Memorial Day, the stage is set. When you have lower rates, when you have trillions and trillions and fucking trillions being printed over the next 3 to 5 years because AI is going to replace millions and millions and tens of millions in this country of human capital. What's the dual mandate in closing for the Fed? 2% inflation. The core's already down there. Wait until the war's over and oil's back at 65. It'll be less than 2%, just like it is right now over in China. And the other mandate is full employment. We ain't going to have anything close. We peaked at full employment 18 months ago. We're going to 5, 6, 7, real unemployment, 8, 9, and 10 over the next 3 to 5 years. Millions of people that are replaceable by an algorithm or a robot are going to be shit out of luck. So you need to sit down with yourself, your friends, and your family real quick and say, is what I'm doing replaceable? If it is, you better fucking pivot. Or at a minimum, use AI, which I'm not doing personally other than with my thumbnails, which are pretty badass, to augment your business. But tradesmen, electricians, plumbers, roofers, in fuego, on fire, huge demand as these data centers are rolling out all over the world. The robots are not good enough to do that. But for the rest of you that have a college education like myself, and you think there's a possibility, i.e. you're in accounting or you're in law, you better get in touch with your EQ. You better be willing to stand outside of the fucking box. Wear a bunch of jewelry if that's your thing. Talk loud, swear like a drunken motherfucking sailor. If you don't have any emotional intelligence in the world that we're about to see, you are doomed. The good news, and there's plenty of it, the productivity gains that are coming as a result of AI are not only going to push down inflation into a deflationary environment, giving the Fed the green light to print trillions of dollars one more time, just like they did in 2020 when 40% of all US dollars in circulation were printed in the first 6 months of the scam-demic. And then all hell's going to break loose in 2034 or 5 when the millennials and Gen Z start to exit the workforce like the boomers did in 2000. Ladies and gentlemen, I know what I'm talking about. In fact, I've been telling you the same fucking thing for years. Flying cars and trips to fucking Mars. This is it. If you want to get rich, if you want to make more money than you've ever dreamed possible, if you want to go like I was from the outhouse 3 years ago to the penthouse, just like motherfucking that, you're going to click that link below before I change my mind, and you're going to take advantage of $20 for the first 60 days, cancel anytime, because we average 10 wins a month. You're going to make more than enough money to pay for years and years of subscription fees at TrySmallBiz.com. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, always remember that I love you. And if you want the best penny stocks to buy, get inside our Discord now.